Good morning. I'm here at breakfast again. Lovely cappuccino and eggs Florentine and scrambled eggs.
The hotel is just amazing. It's so nice.
So today we're going to the Tower of London, the Jewels, which is right there. Yeah. And then we're gonna go gallivanting with friends to a bunch of wizard locations. And then we're going on are we going to the London Eye first or the walking tour first?
The Eye.
The Eye first. And then the walking tour, the Muggle Walking Tour, the different other Harry Potter sites, believe it or not, in London. So it's gonna be another big day. And our last full day in London.
Our last full day on the trip.
Yep. Home tomorrow. We made it to the Tower of London. It's been quite a stressful morning. The underground was delayed for like forever and ever and ever. And we're like, oh
and they
God.
were like, get off if you think you should get off and you're in time crunch. And we were like,
I know, we didn't know how to judge it.
We didn't know how to judge it, and we didn't really exactly know like what the bus system was. But now we know, but like we should have just got off and like told someone, it's like, what bus should we get on, and then go.
Yeah.
Then,
we got a taxi.
Yeah, we got a taxi. We're here.
We're here. We're gonna
like
go see the Jewels. It's not too busy.
Yeah.
Because we got here as early as we could.
Yeah, about 30 minutes after they've opened.
Yeah, 30 minutes after we were supposed to get here at 9. But yeah, this is Haley's first time here.
Yeah, Michael's a great
This
tour
is
guide.
my fourth. So
he knows all the stuff, so we don't have to pay for it.
I'm kind of remembering things. I'm probably getting some of it wrong.
Oh well.
And then we have these guards here who stand here all day long because they're guarding jewels. And then we'll go in there and see some torture devices.
Yay, torture.
Maybe.
Torture. Oh, hey.
I just saw the crown jewels.
Yeah, it was fabulous.
What did you think about them?
Yes, Queen. Yes, Queen's jewels.
And now we're gonna go over here.
Torture.
Tower. We're definitely doing the whirlwind tour version of Tower of London. Just that we had our delay this morning. It's so cool being here. On our way out, Tower Bridge, some cosplayers. Haley, what did you think?
Oh, it was so cool. It was so much fun. And you got to see some jewels and some torture and some...
Oh, here's the gate.
Bloody Arch.
That's the Trader's Gate.
Oh, it's the Trader's Gate. I learned so much. But I'm like, I'll go home, and when I'm researching, I can learn more about it. It's like fun.
Yeah. We saw it.
That's so cool. It's like old and new.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And now we're going to get back on the tube, and we're not going to have any problems.
No
It's
problem.
going to be easy.
We're going to meet our friends.
And we're going to meet our friends for more Harry Potter adventures. We just went to Primark. So they're selling tons of stuff. Oh my gosh. Haley's going to go crazy in here. There's like a whole Harry Potter section. This cool store that has a whole Harry Potter section. Just on the way to the Muggle Collection store. We're just hanging out with all our cool London friends. This cool wizard shop.
This is where we, like a proper magic store, like a...
It's so pretty. It looks straight out of Wizarding World. And we're at the Muggle Collection store. We're really here. All the things. Wow. Stuff I've been looking at in catalogs since I was 14.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's more expensive here.
This is so cool. All the Fantastic Beasts. Just set some gowns and got all those over there. Some more beasts. Oh, I just love the way that they've set this up.
I guess so. I didn't think he did.
And here's the wand room. This is what my house will look like someday.
Oh, that's the live one. It's how like Cedric's wand.
All right, after gazing upon all of the wands, I think I've come to my selection, which is going to be the Snatcher wand, the Blackthorn wand, because I've never seen this one in person anywhere else, and I don't think it's sold online in the US anymore. So that's the one I'm gonna get. Downstairs they have signed wands. Ooh. Oh, Ivana Lynch. Oh, and Scabier and Percy I don't have, so I need to buy these. Oh, it says not for sale, just kidding. This section has items that aren't for sale anymore. I guess there's like a limited line, or for some reason they don't produce them anymore, which is a shame because that candle's really cool. I like the Da Vinci Code, like things that aren't really in anymore. This is so neat. Oh yeah, just more stuff I've seen in catalogs for years and years. And now we're back in Covent Garden, trying to find some lunch. I'm probably getting the backs of everyone's heads in all these videos. But we're just walking about. We found this Honeydukes looking shop. It really does look like Honeydukes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're really leaning into the Harry Potter thing. It's time to go into Mina Lima. These are the graphic designers for the Harry Potter movies. And they have a museum and shop dedicated to their work. And they're all decorated for Pride, which is really cool. It's just gonna be crazy. Wow.
I did that first one. I didn't want to write the actual one.
They have done it, yeah.
No worries, see you later.
I want to go home. I was like, I went all these places.
We had a wonderful time at House of Mina Lima. We made some purchases, of course. It's just so cool. All this stuff. And they do other stuff other than Harry Potter, but obviously we're here for one reason.
Do you have like 4 other things?
They do have 4 other things, but we're here for the wizardry.
I call it these window stickers. I want these like.
Yeah, these Luna glasses stickers.
Yeah.
Big Ben.
Michael's like, that's it. And I'm like,
Can't
that's
even
what?
see it. And Parliament's all covered in whatever. I guess they're doing repairs or something. Sorry,
Only
Haley.
disappointment of the trip.
Sorry. But we are heading to the London Eye, and we're really hoping we'll be able to make our ticket, our Muggle Walking Tour.
Oh, that was it.
Our Muggle Walking Tour is at 6:30, so we're really hoping we can make it. There's the London Eye and Westminster Abbey, right there. hopefully we're gonna go up on top of that thing so we can look at all of it. But yeah, that's pretty sad. We didn't know about that.
I swear, Michael's like, that's it. What?
It's better from this side. I mean, the sun's right there, so you probably can't see it, but it's better. It's looking pretty busy. We'll see what it's like. Really, really busy.
I'd rather not.
There's the Thames.
It's okay. We'll do it next time.
So we gave up on the London Eye. We just don't think we're gonna have enough time. And now we're just kind of walking around. Not getting run over. And now we're at Westminster Abbey. Because we have some time now booked for our walking tour. Just checking out Westminster. I think this was really made. Oh, you can't see it. I think this was really made for us.
It's our China.
All this H&M stuff.
Oh,
This is our China pattern.
it's our China pattern. Harry and Meghan are just so rude to steal it.
Get to the walking tour. Westminster Abbey was cool. We have to do a lot of this stuff when we come back next time.
We got so much to do.
Yeah. Such a big city. So much to see.
Well, we've been saying it's like we did exactly what we wanted to do, which is hang out with our friends, have the best time ever, which is what we've been doing. Everything's great. Hurrah!
Hurrah! So we just rode the very packed underground to get to the location for our Muggle Walking Tour. And we're early. Can you believe it? We're early for something. We've been late for everything. So, well, no, we weren't late for the studio tour. We're just very close. But we're early this time.
Yay.
So we're just gonna sit here for a second and wait for some indication that somebody is here. I wonder if they'll be wearing a weird hat or something.
Probably some hat.
I hope some kind of indication of who they are.
Yeah,
So it'll be fun.
it'll be fun. It's so fun.
This guy's super into it. So
It's awesome, yeah.
sorry, the sun is right there. That's good walking. Looks like already looks super very hotter. Oh, it smells really good too. It's a really good restaurant here somewhere.
I know, I like one of
It
us.
smells like steak.
Amazing. We took a stop and like have steak.
Yeah, is dinner included on this tour? Apparently there is a Harry Potter reference here that we're about to find out about. Yes. This is the best Millennium Bridge. Whispering something. What do you say? What was it called? The Whispering what?
Whispering.
It was Whispering something.
Okay.
In St. Paul's.
We've already
And,
lost this information.
That's where the stairway up into the divination classroom and Prisoner of Azkaban was. So we didn't go to St. Paul's this time, but in the future. This is the Golden Hind, which was inspiration for the Durmstrang ship because it was a 16th century ship. So, and this is a recreation of that ship. And then the person who owned it also believed in the existence of the Sorcerer's Stone. And so he went to go find it. For the Philosopher's Stone, sorry. And he gave us a history lesson, or tour guide, about the history of the Philosopher's Stone. Haley, how are you enjoying the tour so far?
I think it's fabulous.
There's also a lot of trivia.
Yeah.
What trivia fact did you just know?
Well, the year Nicholas Flamel died was, well, the age he was at was 666.
Oh, and Haley knew that. Well done. 5 points to Hufflepuff. Somebody got cold. And now I don't have my shirt on. Well, I do have a shirt on. Just not the one that was wearing.
To prove you have a shirt on.
Oh no. Back at Parliament. Just made one big loop today. walking down Whitehall. This is all government, I think. Remember correctly? This is where all the government buildings are. And then this statue up here, if I remember correctly, is a dedication to all the women who went into work in factories in World War II. And so it's a statue of their jumpsuits. Oh yeah, the women of World War II. Yep, I was right.
Always one.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's where Doctor Strange was filmed.
Bonus.
This is the location for the box, the Ministry of Magic phone box that Arthur used to get down into the ministry. And they put a green screen over that doorway. And it's gone now. Oh well. And this is where the opening sequence of Doctor Strange was filmed. When they went to the mirror dimension and it was down this street. It's Trafalgar Square, not Leicester Square, sorry. But definitely just very good here.
They're flying down here.
Swooshed out. This was the inspiration for Diagon. There's another tour in front of us.
Concert money, galleons in there as well.